Good evening everyone. Welcome to my class. Yes, already you know. Now onwards I am going to discuss CTET Maths Paper 2, especially Maths Paper 2, previous year important questions. I will solve only maths questions, previous year questions, okay? Only CTET Maths Paper 2. Almost I am planning to discuss more than 300-350 questions. All the previous year 10 years question I am planning to discuss with you. How much you will show the interest, based on that I will decide whether I have to continue the class or not, okay? Because if I do the class, if the students, otherwise if the teachers, if they are interested, if they watch my class, then I will get motivated. I can do more classes. Yes, no? Otherwise it will be, for me, it will be like it will get disappointed if no one is watching my class, okay? Once again, good evening everyone. Welcome to my new series of CTET Maths Paper 2. Here first I will discuss previous year question paper. First I will solve few years, more than 10 years previous year question papers. Then it will be helpful for you to prepare CTET paper 2, okay? Maths paper 2, especially maths. Okay, let us discuss the questions one by one. Yes, is it clear now? If more brighter means you can watch properly. Yes. I took the question paper from the internet. That's why I have to do copy and paste. If you are not able to see the question, please comment me. If you have any doubt, anything, if you want to discuss with me, you can contact with my email ID. I will write the email ID here in the beginning only. Sunita 16 dot Siddharaju at gmail.com. If you have any doubt, anything, you can contact me in the mail. I given the mail address, okay? If you are there in the live, then I can discuss with you. Maybe so many you are not able to attend my live classes because so many you are working. That's why, okay? If you have any doubt when you are watching my class, you can contact me through the mail, okay? Let us start the first question. Let us start the class with the first question. I am Sunita madam. Once again, welcome to my class, okay? Next, first question. The ratio between the length and perimeter of a rectangular plot is 1:3. They are given the ratio. What is the ratio between the length and breadth of the plot? Here they are given. What they are given? First you have to write here. First write the rectangular plot. Consider this is an rectangular plot. Okay, then here the ratio between the length and perimeter. Here they are given the ratio. They are given length and also perimeter. Length of a rectangular plot and also perimeter, they are given the ratio. What is the ratio they are given here? 1:3. They are given the ratio. Then what you have to find out here? What is the ratio between the length and breadth? You have to find out the ratio between, I will write here, length and breadth. Ratio you have to find out. Here everything they are given in the ratio. Here no need to discuss, no need to do the problem in detail. I will tell the shortcut method how you can solve this problem very easily. Length is given 1. The length ratio is given 1. You know, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That is the property of a rectangle. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Length is equal, breadth is equal. If you consider this as a length, if you consider this one as a breadth breadth, opposite breadth are equal, opposite length are equal. Here they are given the ratio. Let us consider as a ratio only. Here this CTET is mainly based on multiple choice questions. Here you will get only less time to solve the problem. That's why now onwards I will tell shortcut how to solve the problems very easily without doing the long method. Here length they are given in the ratio 1. Here opposite sides are equal, therefore opposite sides also 1. What is mean by perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is nothing but length of all the four sides. How much they are given? Everything I am considering here in the terms of ratio only. Total perimeter, otherwise total length of the boundary is 3. Already here 1 plus 1 it will become 2, but you have the perimeter 3. Remaining 1 how you will divide? Remaining 1 you can divide with the opposite breadth. Consider this is as 0.5, 0.5. Why I consider 0.5? Because they are given the ratio of perimeter it will be 3. Otherwise consider length is 1, perimeter is 3. Forget about ratio. Consider length is 1, opposite length, both the length are same. Therefore this side is length of this side is 1, length of this side is 1 centimeter. Consider anything. Then here 1 plus 1 it will become 2. Your total perimeter is 3. Therefore 3 minus 2 it will become 1. Remaining 1 is there, no? This 1 is nothing but breadth. Remaining opposite breadth you have to divide 1. How you will divide? 1 by 2. You are dividing into 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. 0.5. Okay. Then here breadth is 0.5, length is 1. Here they are asking the ratio. Length is here 1, breadth is 0.5. But you don't have any ratios here. They are not given any ratios here. But multiply, you can convert. Multiply this one with 2. Multiply this ratio with 2. You will get 2:1. You are having this answer here. 2:1 is the length and breadth of the given rectangular plot. I will explain once again. If you have the doubt, I will explain once again. Listen here. Here they are given the ratio between the length and perimeter of a rectangular plot. Forget about the ratio. Consider the perimeter of this rectangular plot. Consider it will be 3. Then here length of the plot is given, that is 1. You know, in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. This consider as a length, opposite this one consider as a breadth. Let the length of the rectangular plot is 1 is given, opposite sides also 1. 1 plus 1 it will become 2. But total perimeter they are given 3 here. 3 minus 2 you will get 1. Then this 1 you have to divide into 2 equal parts. Therefore 1 by 2 is nothing but 5. When you add all this total length you have to get the perimeter 3. 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 0.5, 2.5, 2.5 plus 0.5 you will get 3. Length is 1, then perimeter is 3. Everything is satisfying here, no? Therefore according to this value, consider here length, breadth. They are asking the ratio here. Length is 1, breadth value is 0.5. Multiply this one with 2 because we don't have any values here. We don't have any option here. Multiply by 2, you will get 2. 2 ones are 2. 0.5 into 2 is nothing but 1. This value we have here, that is 2:1. This is the simple method, logical method, otherwise shortcut you can consider. Understood? Whatever they are given, length, perimeter is given. Using length, perimeter, easily you can find out the breadth. Then find the ratio of length into breadth. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can contact me through the mail. That's why I given my email ID, because those you will watch my video in offline also, not in the live classes. If you are free, you can attend my live classes also. Live it will be interesting because you can communicate with me and also suggest me whenever you will be free. In that time only I am trying to discuss the questions, otherwise I am trying to take the live classes. Whenever you will be free, contact me through the mail. Next one, which time is suitable for you? Maybe evening after 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. If you, all the teachers, if you fix to a particular time, if you contact with me through the mail, then I can interact with you, then I can take the live classes at the particular time. Okay. Next important question, if a star b, it will be equal to a square plus b square. Here they are given a star b. What is this? What is its value? Otherwise, what is mean by this? A square plus b square. Then a dot b, it will be equal to a square minus b square. This is simple question, easy question, not tricky one. Then find the value of 5 star 2 dot 25. Here they are given a star b, it will be equal to a square plus b square. Therefore, here a is 5, b is 2. 5 square plus 2 square. Yes, 5 square plus 2 square dot 25. Then 5 square value, 5 into 5, 25. 2 square means 4 dot 25. Then 25 plus 4, 29 dot 25. Again they are given, what is mean by dot? A dot b, a square minus b square. A is this one 29, b is 25. Then 29 square minus 25 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. You know the formula, a square plus b square, it will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. Apply here, you will get 29 plus 25, 29 minus 25. 29 plus 25, add here, you will get here 54, subtract, you will get 4. 54 into 4, you will get 260. 216. Option 4 is the correct answer. This question is easy. Easily you can solve the question because everything they are given, only you have to substitute, only you have to solve. A star b, they are given the value a square plus b square. A dot b means a square minus b square. Here they are given 5 star 2 dot 25. 5 star 2 means a square plus b square. A is 5 here, b is 2. 5 square plus 2 square dot 25. 5 square means 25, 2 square means 4. Add, you will get 29 dot 25. Then a dot b means a square minus b square. Here you will get here once again, you know the formula, a square minus b square, it will be equal to a plus b, a minus b. Then 29 plus 25, 29 minus 25. Add this one, you will get 54. Subtract, you will get 4. 54 into 4, you will get 260. Very easy questions. Okay. Next, move to the next question. Next question is easy. Consider ABC or the three natural numbers in ascending order. Consider the smaller number only. ABC, they are telling natural numbers. Consider 1, 2, 3. Any natural you can consider. That numbers, it will be in the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Otherwise, in increasing order you can consider. Otherwise, ascending order. Consider small natural number only because calculation it will be easy if you are considering the small natural number. Substitute here from the option we will be go on checking which one it will be satisfying or not. C square minus a square. What is the value of c square here? 3 square. What is the value of a square here? A is 1 square. It will be greater than b. I am checking the first option. It will be greater than b. What is the value of b here? 2. Then here 9 minus 1 greater than 2. 9 minus 1 is nothing but 8. 8 greater than 2. Even first example is satisfying your condition. First is the correct option. Let us check with all the option whether they will satisfy or not. C square minus A square, it will be B square. You know the value of C square minus A square is 8. It will be equal to B square means 2 square, it will be 4. This is wrong. 8 is not equal to 4. Then next one, C square minus A square value is 8. It will be less than B square means 4. No, 8 less than 4. This also wrong. Then fourth one, C square plus B square means 3 square plus 1 square. This it will be equal to A square means 1. This is impossible. This is 10. It will be equal to 1. This also wrong. According to the first what we solved, option 1 is the correct answer. This is the very easy question. Here, if A, B, C are any three natural numbers in the ascending order, all the numbers it will be in the ascending order from smaller to the bigger one. Here, they are asking which, they are given the 4 option, which one is the correct one, they are asking. Substitute, you will get the value. First option is the correct one because 8 is greater than 2. Only this one is satisfying. Another, all the 3 it will be wrong. Let us move to the next question. Today I will discuss only 15 question based on your interest. That's why I am given the email ID because I am giving coaching for hstr, TET, then gpstr. I am concentrating that one. In the group I am having 10 to 12 CTET teachers. That's why I am planning to do the few important topics for you in detail once I will finish the question paper. That's why I given my email ID. How much you will show the interest, mail me whether you need the class, whether you want question paper discussion, whether you want topic wise discussion, anything you can feel free to talk with me. I am here to help you to clear CTET because you have the chance. Normally CTET they are going to conduct in the month of August. That is also offline they are planning. Definitely offline it will be. Attending the exam, doing the exam, it will be very easy compared to the online. So many they will get confused in the internet once they will do the exam, but offline it will be comfortable. You can attend the exam. Still you have more than 1.5 month or 2 months. Still they not announce the date. Maybe in the month of August they are going to conduct the exam. That's why please whatever you need, whether you want concept wise explanation, whether you want to discuss more than you want to discuss previous year, I don't know, I am ready to discuss 10 years question paper. Even I am prepared. I have started preparing 10 years, even maths also and also science also, both I am planning to discuss all the 10 years previous year question paper CTET. Which one you want? If you show the interest, definitely I will take the classes. Okay, that's why please contact, tell me your feedback. It will be helpful for me. Okay, next question. Buy 3 get 1 free. What is the percentage of discount being offered here? Here normally you can see this one, you can observe in the mall also, any shopping mall, any yes, they will give the offer buy 3 get 1 free. Here you have to look into that shopkeeper view, not in your viewpoint. Here buy 3 get 1, if 3 items you buy 1 item it will be free. You have to buy 3 items, then 1 item it will be free. But total items, otherwise total items what you will buy, it will be 4. 3 plus 1 it will be 4. Out of 4, this is the total. Out of 4, 1 item they are giving the discount. Otherwise buy 1 get 1, otherwise yes, 1 item they are giving the discount, otherwise 1 item it will be free. Then here they are asking the percentage means into 100. Very easily I am telling how you can solve the problems. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Then 25 percentage of discount you will get if you have the offer buy 3 get 1 free. Some student, otherwise some teachers, what they will do, 1 by 3 into 100 they will do. Yes, this is wrong. Total number of items you have to consider. Total number of items, it will be 4. Whether they are giving through the discount, otherwise simply they are giving that, it will not at all matter. Understood? But total items you have to consider. Total items, it will be 4 here, 1 by 4 into 100. If you do 1 by 3 into 100 here, you will get the wrong answer. This is wrong. This is not correct one. This is the wrong one. Total items, how many they will give the free, whether by 3 get 2 free also they will give. Understood? Whether they are giving 2 items free, 3 items free, then you have to consider the total items. How many you are purchasing, how many you are buying, don't consider. You will get the wrong answer. Okay, those who are there in the live, please comment me, then I can interact with you. Okay, therefore the correct answer for this question is 25%. Next one, this is the very tricky question. The value of 2 square root of 2 plus root 3 plus square root of 2 minus root 3, it will be equal to. If you are having numerator denominator, it will be easy for solving. You will take the reciprocal, otherwise you will take the conjugate, you will solve. But here you are having, you are not having in the fraction format. What you will do here, let us, I will explain this question in detail, because there is no shortcut here. But you can remember, once you solve, you will get the idea how you can solve this one. Then here consider first, I will consider only first term, 2 plus root 3. Whenever you are having the square roots, otherwise like this conjugate numbers, these are two conjugate number, correct? No, then whenever you are having the conjugate numbers, otherwise like these numbers, always you have to try to convert the number in a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. How you can cancel square? Only when you are having the, how can you cancel the square root? When you are have the square, this square root and square, it will get cancelled. That's why better try to convert whatever you are having the number, try to put in the form of a plus b whole square. Once you consider this one, a plus b root 3 whole square or square root, then this square it will get cancelled. That's why try to convert all the numbers in the square root and square format. Easily you can find the solution. Okay, then here 2 plus root 3. I will split root 3 in the form of root 1 into root 3. Yes, you can easily split. Consider root 1 as A, root 3 as B. Yes, you can. Okay, then A into B. Once you compare this value with a plus b whole square, yes, you have a square is root 1 whole square, you will get 1. Then root 3 whole square, that also you can do. But 2ab is this one, but you don't have this 2. Then what you have to do in that case, this factor you have, otherwise this term you have, multiply and divide this term with the number 2. Because I don't have 2, otherwise I will write this one in the next step, you will not get confused. I will solve only one term, then easily you can solve with the another term. 2 plus root 3, I am not changing the value of this one. Multiply this number with 2 and divide this number with 2. You are having the square root, don't put 2, forget the square root, you are having the square root here. Why I am multiplying divided with 2? Because I have to get the expression 2ab. Easily I got ab, a is root 1, b is root 3, but here 2, I don't have any 2 here, otherwise if you split, you will not get in the format of 2ab. This idea you will get when you will solve more problems. You will get the idea how with number you have to multiply, divide, everything you will get, don't worry. Then multiply with this number with 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. This is the square root, whole square root. Keep this one as it is. Now express this one in the form of root 3 plus 1 whole square. I will write here root 3 plus 1 whole square. It will be equal to root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1, because this I express in the form of a plus b whole square. Then this is 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. 4 plus 2 root 3. Yes, in the place of 4 plus 1, 2 root 3, you can write it as root 3 plus 1 whole square. Yes, in this place easily you can write it as root 3 plus 1 whole square. Square root is there. I will split the square root. Okay, root 2, even you can split the square. Full square root is there, you can split the square root. Then here square root and square get cancelled. You will get here root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2. This is the value. Which term I consider here? I consider here 2 plus root 3 whole square root. This value is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2. Then I am having one more negative term, 2 minus root 3. You can solve in the same method, but put the change only the negative sign. Here you will get root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by root 2. Only you have to change the negative sign. You are having negative sign here, no? Then put negative sign here. Same, everything it will be calculation, it will be same. Only the negative value, negative sign you have to consider. Otherwise, to verify, follow the method, you will get the same value, because it will be like here. I will write here root 3 minus 1 whole square. It will be how much you will get? Root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus minus 2 root 3. When you are learning, learn everything in detail. In the exam, no need to write all the steps. Easily you can do the problem. Okay, I am explaining here, that's why I am explaining everything. Then here it will be 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Then 4 minus 2 root 3. 4 minus 2 root 3 is nothing but S. You will get the value. Otherwise, consider the negative sign. It will be easy for you. Then consider the question. 2 plus square root 3 whole square root plus 2 minus square root 3 whole square root. Its value is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2 plus this value root 3 minus 1 divided by root 2. Root 2 is the common LCM here. Take it as root 2. Then root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 plus 1, it will get cancelled. Then root 3 into root 3, you will get 2 root 3 divided by root 2. Then one more important step here. This 2 you can write it as root 2 into root 2, because root 2 it will be root 4. Again you will get the value 2. That's why this 2 you can write it as root 2 into root 2 into root 3 divided by root 2. Root 2 it will get cancelled. When you are having the same square root, you can multiply the number 2 into 3. Then you will get square root of 6. Then your answer is root 6 is the correct answer. Root 6 is the correct answer. First one is the correct answer, not the second one. Sorry. Don't worry, I will explain once again how to choose whether, otherwise how to convert the factor, otherwise term into in the form of a plus b whole square. Consider this one first, a plus root 3. Then here compare this term with root 3. Consider only root 3 because this is, it will be in the form of 2ab. Okay, then you are having, you can split it as root 1 into root 3, you will get ab. You got ab, but I need 2 also, 2ab, it is there in the formula. Then multiply and divide with the number 2 because you don't want to change this value. Once you multiply, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2, root 3 divided by 2. Then split the square root. Then here this one 4 plus 2 root 3 you can write in the form of root 3 plus 1 whole square. I will explain here. Root 3 plus 1 whole square, it will be equal to root 3 square a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then root 3 whole square, both it will get cancelled. 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3, 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. 4 plus 2 root 3. This is the value of root 3 plus 1 whole square. In place of this root 3 plus 1 whole square, substitute 4 plus 2 root 3. Okay. In the place of 4 plus 2 root 3, substitute the value of root 3 plus 1 whole square. Same you have another term, but you have the negative sign in between the numbers. Then here the expression you have to change the sign. Then substitute the value in place, substitute the same value. Then plus 1 minus 1, it will get cancelled. Then here this 2 you can write it as root 2 into root 2 because root 2 into root 2 you can write it as root 4. Square root of 4 is nothing but 2. Then square root of 2 it will get cancelled. When you are having the same square root, you can multiply the number. 3 2s are 6, you will get the square root of 6 is the correct answer. Don't get confused, this question only the longer method, but normally here sometime here you have to multiply the number, multiply and divide with the number 2, but sometime they will give the factors, otherwise they will give the term like that. It will directly, it will follow a plus b whole square. In the next class I will take the term exactly, it will follow a plus b whole square formula. Sometime they will give direct one, otherwise sometime difficult question. In CTET some questions they will be very easy, some questions they will be difficult. Okay, this is the one of the difficult question. This is not difficult. If you practice more, when you see the question only you will come to know how we have to convert, what we have to do, everything. By practice everything it will be easy. Practice. Okay, then next question is easy. I am trying to do all the question in the shortcut method, but some questions shortcut method is not possible. Correct? No, we have to do all the steps. Well, next question, when recast the radius of an iron rod is made 1/4, its volume remains constant. Volume is constant. Then the new length it will be. They are asking what they are asking in the question. When recast the radius of an iron rod, consider the iron rod. This is the radius of the iron rod. Okay, before changing the radius of the iron rod, consider r1. Then after changing the radius of the iron rod, second one, it will become 1/4 of the first one. 1/4 of the first one means maybe it will reduce its size. Okay, 1/4, no, it will be reduced. I will consider this radius as r2, and also this first I will consider this iron rod length is L1. Length you can consider. Okay, this second L2 is the length of the second iron rod when it is converted 1/4 of r1. Okay, then here what they are given, volume of both also it will be same. Volume it will be same in both the case, whether you are reduce the radius of the iron rod, volume it will be remain constant. That it will be, that one we have to consider when we are solving this type of problem. Volume it will be constant. You know the volume formula, V it will be equal to pi r square h. Okay, if I write iron rod like this, length it will be equal to height, both length height both it will be same. Here also length also same, height also same, length height everything both values it will be same. Length also we can consider, height also, both meaning it will be same. Volume is same here in the both the iron rod, only the change in the radius, change in the height of the iron rod it will takes place here. Then when volume is same, I will write here pi r1 square h1, because r1 h1 I will write here h1 h2. Then here pi it will be constant, no, it will be same, r2 square then h2. Then here one important they are given in the question itself, the radius r2 of the iron rod it will be 1 by 4th of the r1. How much it is reduced? 1 by 4th of the r1. Therefore r2 values it will be 1 by 4th of the r1. When recast, the radius of an iron rod is made 1/4. Okay, when it is reduced to 1 by 4th of r1. Therefore in place of r2 you can substitute 1 by 4 r1. This r1 write as it is, r1 square h1 write as it is, pi it will get cancelled. In place of r2 write 1 by 4 r1 whole square h2. Then let us simplify, r1 square h1 it will be 4 square it will be 16, 1 by 16 r1 square h2. Then r1 square it will be get cancelled, cross multiply, then 16 h1 it will be equal to h2. What they are asking in the question, read the question. Then the new length it will be, new length or height both also same. Therefore the new length or new height it will be equal to 16 times of the original one. 16 times of the original one. That is your answer. Okay, understood? Understood everyone? I will explain once again. When recast, the radius of an iron rod is made 1 by 4th. Its volume it will be remain constant. Then what is its new length it will be? Length, height both also same, don't get confused. Consider the iron rod, before the radius of that one it will be r1, length it will be l1, or height it will be h1. Then second one, radius it will be r2, height it will be h2, volume it will be same in both the case. Then you have to choose r2 like that, 1 by 4th of r1. They are given the value, they are given the relation, they are not given the exact value of r2, but they are given in terms of a relation. The radius of that iron rod it will be r2, it will be the second rod, it will be 1 by 4th of r1. Substitute here. You know the volume of the iron rod, how we will find out? We know the formula pi r square h. Then consider two different cases, because volume it will be same means v1 it will be equal to v2. v1 will consider as the first case, v2 consider as the second case. Then equate, pi it will get cancelled. In place of r2 substitute 1 by 4 r1. Then simplify, you will get the new height, otherwise the new length it will be equal to 16 times of the original one. I am explaining slowly because those they will prepare first time, those they are solving like this problem in the first time, easily they can answer. That's why concept based question I am explaining more. Easy question I will go fast. This question, this one is very easy. This one is easy. Find the value of, here they are given, find the value of 547.527. I will write once again, I don't know why it went. 547.527 divided by 0.0082, it will be equal to x. What you have to find out? sorry, it become clumsy because internet it will become slow here, that's why I'm getting the error like this. Once again I will write, don't worry. Live classes, no, if the internet little becomes slow, then everything it will change here. Okay, next 547.527 divided by 0.0082. Then you have to find the value of x. Find the value of this one means you have to remove the decimal. Here decimal you have, after the decimal you have 3 number, here after the decimal you have 4 numbers. Then put one more number here, then easily you can cancel the decimal. 547,527. Here you are having 4 decimal, here you are having 3 means in the numerator put one more number. Okay, multiply with 10, it will be equal to x. I am removed all the decimal, that's all. Here you are having after the decimal you have 4 number here, but here you have only 3 numbers. Then multiply with 10, then both also it will balanced. Decimals you can cancel, no. Then here before solving this one, no need to solve this one, I don't want values of this one. Here they are given the answer in terms of 10x. Then see, in when you are solving like this questions, no need to solve all the whatever the questions they are given, no need to solve the values. First you have to check what are the options they are given, how they express the answers. First you have to check that one. Here you have to express this value in terms of 10 into x, whether it is 100 into x, otherwise x by 100. I don't want the exact value of this one. Consider this full value, consider as n into 10, it will be x. I want the value of n, it will be x divided by 10. I don't want to simplify, I want this x in terms of x I want. Therefore here you have the option x divided by 10. This value it will be equal to x divided by 10. No need to simplify all this one. In the exam some teachers, otherwise some students, what they will do, they will be go on solving this problem division, everyone they know, simply waste of time. That's why they are not asking the exact answer, they are asking in terms of 10 into x, whether it is 10x or x by 10, 1000, 100x or x by 100, they are asking in this way. That's why when you are having the in the CTET normally maths problem, first check the options, whatever the options they are given. From the options also easily you can answer the question easily. Okay, understood, very easy. Here you have to, no need to write all the steps. Make the decimal same, then to make the decimal same you have to multiply this one with 10, then you need the x value, take the shift this 10 here, then you will get x by 10. No need to write all the steps, easily within 1 or 2 method easily you can do, but you are solving like this problem first time, no, that's why better write all the steps, it will be helpful for you. Let us move to the next question. Near to my home construction is going on, so much of disturbance. I am wearing the headphone, maybe you are not feeling any disturbance, but for explaining for me I am feeling like irritated because so much noise here. Let us move to the next question. Next question it will be easy. The smallest number by which 6860 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. Yes, cube means you have to multiply same number with 2 times. Square means you are multiplying same number with 2 times. That is the meaning of cube and square, correct? No. Then here easy method, not easy method, regular method only you have to follow when you want to find the perfect cube and also perfect square. I will consider the smaller number only. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, then again 2 3s are 0 0. Again consider 2 only. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 2 1s are 2, 2 5 0. Then again 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are. Now consider 5 number because the number is ending with 5. Even 10, even always consider the smaller number, it will be easy. Then 5 ones are 5, then it will become 35. 5 sevens are 35, 5 ones are 5, then 2 is remaining 25, 5 fives are 25. This method no need to explain, everyone you know how to do this method. Again cancel with 5, then 5 threes are 5 fours are 5 threes are. Now take the next number 7. 7 fours are 28, 7 nines are, then 7 sevens are 49. Again you will get 7 ones are. Yes, we will stop here only. Then write all the factors. 2 into 2 into 2, then 5 into 5, then 7 into 7 into 7. See, I am having all the 3 pairs. I don't have here 5 is missed, correct? No. Therefore, to get a perfect cube, this number, whatever the number you have, they are given here, that number you have to multiply with 5 because only 2 5 is there. For cube, you need 3 5. Therefore, to get a perfect cube, the whatever the given number you have to multiply with 5. Easy method. Let us move to the next question. This question is very tricky. Practice the question, it will be helpful for you. A cyclist at C is cycling towards B. Cycling at C, he is cycling towards B. How far will he have to cycle from C before he is equidistant from both A and B? The person, assume he starts cycling at C, then he moved towards B, then that person has to be same distance from A and also from B. Maybe somewhere if he traveled here, then consider maybe here, he may reach from A is also, he will be in the same distance. From B also he will be in the same distance. Consider a triangle here like this. Then this full length is given 10 kilometer. From here to here 10 kilometers means from here to here is 10 minus 2 is 8 kilometer here. Okay, according to the Pythagoras triplet, here 4, okay, then 4 3 5 consider. From here to here 8 kilometer. I will write down, otherwise you will get confused. I will write 8 here. From here to here 8 kilometer. From here to here 8 kilometer. Why I took 3 here? You can ask my why ma'am you took 3 here. You can take even 5 also here, no? According to Pythagoras triplet, if this one side is 4, another it will be 3 or 5. Okay, this 3 and 5 they may interchange. I will take 3. Let us discuss whether I will get the correct answer or not. Okay, roughly I took 3 here 5. From here to here is 5 kilometers frame. From A to this point, I will consider this point as O. From A to O is 5 means from O to B also 5 kilometers, because that person he has to reach one point like that. It has to same distance from A and also from B. Both also they have to cover with the same distance. That's why. Okay. Then here what I consider the Pythagoras triplet, it will be correct because this one is 5 4 5 3. This is the bigger one, correct? No, this is the smaller one. 4 5 3. Then when 8 minus 3 remaining, you will get 5 here. From here to O to B is 5, from O to A is 5, means this is the point O. This point, it will be, this point is equidistant from A also, from B also. Then how much distance he travelled? 3 plus 2, it will be 5 kilometers. Don't consider only 3. He travelled before A also 2 kilometer. No, 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5 kilometer. Little understanding question. Understand the problem, easily you can solve. A cyclist at C is cycling towards B. How far will have to cycle from C before he is equidistant from both A and B? Consider here Pythagoras triplet 4, 5, 3. From A to O is 5, means O to B is 5, because they are in the question, they are given both, they will be equidistant. Both the points, they will be equidistant at the point where the C he will reach. Then from here to here, from A to here, from here to here, from this point to this point, it will be 3. 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5 kilometers. Okay. Then move to the next question. This question is very easy. A square sheet of ABCD, when rotated on its diagonal AC, as its axis of rotation swipes as a spindle. If you consider any object, if you make the object to move according to along the diagonal fastly, then that rotation we will consider as a spindle. This one is easy, spindle. Next question also easy question. The area of a triangle with base x units is equal to area of the square with x units, then the altitude of the triangle. Consider the triangle here, then consider the square. Both the area, it will be same. Consider, we have to calculate the height we don't know, but base they are given x. Here the side of the square they are given x. This is a triangle, then this is the square. Area is same, they are given. You know the formula to find the area of a triangle, half into base into height. Then area of a square, it will be side into side. Side into side, it will be equal to x into x. Then here both the areas are equal, means you can equate. Half into base, here they are given x. X into height, it will be equal to x into x. X it will get cancelled. Then height, it will be equal to 2x units. Very simple problem, easy problem. Then height, it will be equal to 2x units. Option 3 is the correct answer. Here they are given, in the question only they are given area of the triangle with base x, it will be equal to area of the square with base x. Area is same, means half into base into height, it will be side into side. Then x it will get cancelled, h it will be equal to 2x units. Very easy question. Next also very easy question, 13, question number 13. What is the value of 33 1 by 2 percentage, then 4 divided by 15, then 0.35? Among these three, which is the greatest, they are asking. What is mean by 33 of, means 33.5 percentage. What is mean by percentage? 33.5 divided by 100. Divided by 100 means you have to shift these numbers with 2 digit, you will get 0.335. This is the short tricks you have to consider here. Then 4 divided by 15. 4 divided by 15 means approximately you will get 0.2 something. I don't want exact value, leave. Then third number is 0.35. Among these three, which is the highest one? 0.35 is the highest one. 0.35, that is the correct answer. Next question, 14th question. I will solve 15th question today, then later I will stop, because almost it will be equal to 1 hour. Some questions I don't know, difficult questions I have to explain. Easy question I will go fast. 25 minus p square minus q square minus 2pq. 25 square I can write it as 5 square. If I take minus as a common, you will get p square plus q square plus 2pq. Then here 5 square minus this, it will be in the form of p plus q whole square. Then this you can compare with a square minus b square. Its value is a plus b into a minus b. Then here 5, first case all the values are positive, right as it is. Second one 5 minus of p plus q. Okay, then here 5 plus p plus q, then 5 minus p minus q, multiply with minus p minus q. Then which is the option here? Option 2 is the correct answer. This question is easy. I will move to the next question, 15th, then after that I will stop. Okay. A rectangle is divided horizontally into two equal parts. The upper part is further divided into 3 equal parts and the lower part is divided into 4 equal parts. Which fraction of the original rectangle? The shaded part. Here first rectangle, first of is divided into 3, second one is divided into 4. 3 4s are 12. Consider as 12 parts you have, because consider the same number, otherwise consider the LCM number of these two. 3 4s are 12. Then you will get that, you can take the LCM. Okay, then divide this 12 among these 3, then you will get 4 4 4. Yes, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 12. Then here consider this is 4. Okay, 3 parts, 4 4. Then here 3 3 3 3. Total is 12 plus 12 is 24. Then here 12 plus 12 is 24 here. Then here they are asking only the shaded part. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 8 plus 3 12, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14. Then only this is the shaded part fraction they are asking here. Here see shaded part. Then 2 7s are 2 14s are, then 7 by 14 is your correct answer. Sorry, I forgot to take the options. Here 7 by 14 is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. They will give the options. I forgot to take the photocopy of the options. 7 by 14 is the correct answer. Easy question. Here you have to divide this rectangle into two parts. First one is in terms of upper part is divided into 3 equal parts, lower one is 4 equal part. 4 3s are 12. Consider both, it should be the LCM values. Then if it will become 12, then 4 4 4, this it will become 3 3 3. 12 plus 12 24, this is the total one. Then upper one is the shaded, you will get 11 divided by 14. 11 by 14. Okay, thank you everyone. Today I explained at least 15 questions, 15 question and answers. Tell me your valuable feedback, then I can consider your feedback. Then it will get motivated whether I have to do the next classes or not. Okay, please, whatever you have the doubt, everything you can contact me through the mail. I given the mail address in the first page. I will show once again that first page email address. I wrote here sunita16.siddharaju@gmail.com. Okay, Whatever your feedback, please share with me. Okay. Thanks for listening my class. We will meet in the next class. Thanks for watching my class.